for this opportunity. We are here to protest against our greater Tipraland here. It's Bisramganj. Here, all the Tiprasas are gathering here. Today, 30th of September 2023. So we are here to protest against the greater Tipraland. And I want to say against the Indian government, we Tiprasas are deprived in our own state. So I want to tell the Indian government to focus on the Tiprasas people, why we are deprived in our own state. We are the sons of we are the Tiprasas here from this. We are the Tiprasa from this Tipraland. So why we should be deprived in our own state? Since 75 years, we have been supported many good leaders to live in peace and harmony. But the Indian government doesn't take any action against the Tiprasa people against the Tiprasa. So we are here today for one-day movement to speak against the Indian government that we need our own rights to live in our own motherland. And I want to speak against the Indian government. If Bihar can be divided in Jharkhand, so why can't the Indian government give us the Tipraland here? So I want to speak against the Indian government. So we are deprived, and we need much our own land where we are totally without power. So I want to speak against the Indian government. That's all.